Well, I should rename this railroad to the Smoky Joe. I've added some smoke to these locomotives of mine. Not real smoke, of course. They're Q-tips. Well, it kind of works well. In fact, I think it looks better than the HO locomotives with smoke, liquid smoke. That liquid smoke doesn't puff. Well, neither does this, but I think this looks more natural. I don't know. That's just my theory. And we all know where my theories come from. Now the tail lights, or the tender lights, on these two locomotives I made out of a coupler housing and a N-scale wheel and a little paint. And of course some glue. Did the same thing on this one. And it kind of passes pretty good. The old Maryland in Pennsylvania. And of course the Southern. And that should do it. Just give you a little smoke flavor there.